Honorable John Evans Kumoji, MCE, Akuapem North Municipal. Honorable Eric Ayete, DCE, Okre District. Nananom Mpemfua Yeshemu Ewaha, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. Mia Mijina ha Eric say waframe David Ajiman Yeboa. Na mena miye kasama fo Emma Akuapem North Municipal Education Directorate. Mijina me director eye Mr. Lawrence Ja Anemu ena America say ene jumano yebeka sakakra afa eye the status of education in Akuapem North. Na enu muno yebehwe eye school dodo a yewo emufra ewo school a chechefo eye yemmodimmo ewo adesuam enhihye a yede ato akwanmu a ereboa na education akonanim na yewie nsu a yahwe eye ohaw kakra yewo as a directorate. It means emre no Akuapem North Municipal yewo schools 88 na 88 no emu 60 eye abang school ena emu 28 eye private school. Eno echi no eye mufra eco school wa ha nyina from kindergarten eco CJHS eye 40,214. Sa mufra yi na ewo abang school yeko private school a womu ye 8,539. Yewo achechefo 2,365 a womu di juma ewo aha. Enema edidi sui ena eye niema yede atu akwanmu eboa ema enhomasuane adekire akoso. Nia edikan ye friend say differentiated learning. Eno no ye kire mufana de according to won ahoden yehu se mufano enye wo nyina na won modimmo eye pe. Enti won a wobo ohomodin no yema won dwuma di bebre ena won so a won mo ohomodin no yenya emre ema won. Enu achi nso ye wo communities of excellence program a ye lanche nationally ewo manfin Akuapem a nana manfin hini ena oye ye chairperson. Sajumedi no apaw inkro bi ena ya FIFA schools ni bia yede adesua sika ena resources ekoho ebo ase ne be ya mufra no modimbo ebeko nanim. Enu achi nso eye osiade ye Kwasi Akufu Foundation enso aboa ameyenya robotics club ewo Ekropong Salem ena Ekropong Presby Basic School a mufra no esua about robotics. Sanso ene yewo professional learning communities a ye friend PLC a yen achechefo no ehia na wo muhwe eniema eboa se wo beye na mufra no etimi esuade ama akonanim. Yesanso ewo Ghana Accountability for Learning Outcomes a ye friend no Gallup a enenso yedidi juma. Mepese mekasa kakra afa eye mufra no modimmo ho. Eye 2025 BC no yachro na ye a abang e the broadsheet brain na ye analysis ni ye homufra no performance ye kasei emaye inti quickly me pese megbo nia womocho 2024 no so na ye nyina ye hu 2024 no eye schools mako 82 ena ekocho so hwe no ye presente 1164 candidates emu schools mako 17 enya 100%. From 90 to 80% emu 9, 70 to 60% emu 11, 50 to 30% emu 24, and below 30 so eye 21. Meko wasi no womugusu ericho nyame yaduma next week ena womu bewie enti mebu bo eye last year wasi so Akuapem North last year wasi say yehwe performance na school a odi kan ana say obo no modern pa eye Methodist Girls Senior High School. Wow. What presented Mufra 835. Out of this number, no, emu 96.2% and a pass to university. And enya emu makumako 10 enya 7 A1s. School are also being a latte PSTS. Womu presented Mufra 564, emu 67, emu 86.7% and a pass here. Akuapem ne etoso ebiesa, womu presented Mufra 1,073, emu 79% and a pass with 3 of them getting aggregate 6. If you are Mampom Presec and etoso anang, omunya 79.10%, omusunya aggregate 6. Not also enum eye Mount Sinai SHS. Omunya 67.32%. Nia Odiho eye Mangwasi Senior High. Onusunya 65.54%. Not also a song eye Benkum Senior High School. Omunya 65%. And ania Ochato eye Secondary Technical School for the Deaf. Womusu enya 55.49%. Eye mumufuno. We 2024 performance. 2025 diniba. Yebema adofu nyina ate. Enti yengu se eye performance no yehu improvement in the BEC and the WASI results performance. Na yenjuma na yedi no yewo nipa bia eboa yen eso yen asen ema dwumadi no ekoso fefefe. Mensemre no medical de aseda kese ama eye okwa foundation eye osade kwese akufu foundation ba mpocha mo yemo ensem kese enfama foundation womo boyen bebre ewo donation of books dwumadi bia yebedi bia yebefre wo bia no womo betayen achi eno achi nso ye de aseda kese ebema Honorable Sami Ewuku MP for Akuapem North. Also Ebuayen pa. Yerin timi enyi eye municipal assembly, Akuapem North Municipal Assembly, and so esoyen asen Buayen pa anti eda won ase. Enu echi no ye wo Plan Ghana International, ye wo Saber Education, village by village, and ye wo United Way Ghana. Na we dan obasi mesre ye wo challenges kakra ye besre se akaye de beto osade yo ene nimpanyin anim na edikan yen dwumadi ne titio no esese ye kɔ school sunim ne ye kɔhwɛ senior teacher for chade ena mofrasua de nanso eye car ye de bɛkɔ around a carry out supervision no and no so enti one of our challenge inadequate vehicle to undertake effective supervision enu achi nso no fuel a ye beto edi egu car kakra na ye won so ye wo challenge wo honti eni so ye wo inadequate funds to purchase fuel for supervision and yes anso wo lack of teacher accommodation in remote areas to say obum otwetire abentata dankro achechefo no ni baby a wote e wo honom and ye wo low parental involvement awofo no sheda enhwe moa Emma Chechefo no dwumadi no enko nanim ena yesanso wo indiscipline among our students medamu nyina ase